Port Elizabeth, St. George's Park, and the Giants are going to need 161 runs, and there's only been 2 successful chases higher than this, and it happened the other night, and we'll find out if they're going to get there just after the break.
تحسین میهمانان را از حسن سلیقه و انتخاب شما به همراه خواهد داشت. بله، انتخاب صدف
Down the leg side, and some more freebie runs for the home side.
This time, very cheeky.
Yeah, it's a very good shot. It really is.
Oh my goodness, he picked that up so quick. It was quick out the hand, the decision was quick, and the decision was excellent. What a shot. Something has to give, and what a catch by Gary Kirsten to end the over. What a in the slot, gone for 6.
Yeah, that's a great shot. Slightly over-pitched by Sean van Berg. Straight down the ground, the best place to hit it.
I faced something similar. Some just really used to undercut the balls, and on some of those low, very low bouncing surfaces in Sri Lanka,
डेवलप करना है
The top with the middle.
और दयानतदारी हर मौके में हमने जाहिर करनी है मजीद ईमानदारी के फायदे इंशाल्लाह
Great start to the over for the Giants.
Flat 6.